नेचुरल। हमारा भी कोई चीज खोता है तो हम जो है बहुत उदास हो जाते हैं. It's very natural. Whenever we lose something, we feel very sad. We feel very upset. But what is so special? If the boy loses the ball, what is so special? Uh, it is special because for the boy, this is the first time in his life that he is losing something. It is his first experience of loss. Why this poem is so special? Why does the poet highlight this point? Because for the boy, the losing of the ball is the first experience of loss in Balkrish. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go. It यहाँ किसको रेफर कर रहा है? It refers to the ball. I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street. Merrily means what? Hello, can you hear me?
Happy.
Yes, Ria. Good. Merrily means happily. So, what was the boy doing? He was playing with the ball in the street. Merrily bouncing down the street. Who was bouncing the ball? The boy. The boy was bouncing the ball down the street. And what happened? There it is in the water. The boy was playing with the ball and suddenly the ball fell in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. हमारी कोई चीज खो जाती है, हो सकता है हमारे पास वैसे और भी चीज हो, but whatever we lose, that has a special importance in our life. No one wants to lose anything. 4 पेन है तो क्या एक अच्छा पेन खो गया तो ऐसा नहीं कि हम उदास नहीं होंगे, isn't it? If you have 5 pens, then also if you lose 1 pen, you will feel sad. So similarly, the same is the case with the boy. There are other balls, but he has lost the ball. Ultimate shaking grief. बहुत उदास हो जाता है लड़का. Why he is so sad? Because never before he has faced such a situation. This is the first time. This is the first experience of facing a loss in his life. You know the meaning of grief? What is the meaning of grief?
Ma'am, trouble.
Huh?
Trouble.
मतलब sorrow कह सकते हैं.
Sorrow. Yes, ma'am. Sorrow, trouble.
तो पहली बार वो जो है उदासी का एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा. Fixes. Why fixes? The boy is not moving at all. Why he is not moving? Because he is so full of sorrow. As he stands rigid. See, there are 2 words which shows no movement, fixes and rigid. The boy is just standing at one place. He is trembling, shaking. Trembling means shaking. He's shaking due to sorrow. Staring down, looking with wide open eyes. घूर रहा है, staring. Looking continuously. Staring मतलब क्या? Looking continuously. लगातार वो अपने जो है बॉल को देख रहा है. क्यों देख रहा है? All his young days, he has been playing with the ball for many years. बचपन से खेल रहा है वो उस बॉल से, और उसका प्यारा बॉल, his lovely ball, the ball that is so dear to him, that is so special to him. Why? Because the childhood memories are linked to the ball. बचपन की यादें जुड़ी हुई है बॉल से. वो बॉल से खेला करता था बचपन से. अब अचानक वो बॉल पानी में चला गया. His ball went. I would not intrude. What does the poet say? The poet says, I will not interfere. Intrude means interfere. Intrude. Why the poet does not want to interfere? Because he wants the boy to learn the harsh reality. हर समय हम किसी की मदद नहीं कर सकते हैं. हर किसी को अपने लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम खुद ही फेस करना पड़ता है. You have to face the problems yourself. So why the poet is not interfering? Because he wants the boy to become strong. What is the reason? He loves the boy, small boy, so sad. He wants to go and comfort him. He wants to go and console him, but he does not do so. Why he does not do? Because he wants the boy to learn the harsh reality. He wants the boy to become strong. So that is why he does not interfere. Let him learn the harsh lessons of life. Let him learn that this is reality. जीवन में बहुत बार ऐसा घटना आएगा कि ये लड़का आगे भी कुछ खोएगा, तो उसको खुद से डील करने आना चाहिए. He should know how to deal with loss. He should know how to stand up after the loss. A dime is the currency, money. Huh? Dime is the money. So a dime, another ball is worthless. Huh? A dime, another ball is worthless. Why? दूसरा ball worthless क्यों है? क्योंकि this childhood memories are linked to this ball. He is very sentimental. Childhood memories linked to the special ball. So other ball he may buy, but those balls are not of the same value. Childhood memories are linked. That is why other balls are worthless and that ball is special. Now he senses his first responsibility. And for the boy, this is his first responsibility. पहली बार उसको अपना responsibility लेना है. That if you lose something also, you should get normal. You cannot keep on being depressed day after day. You have to come to normal. You have to, it's not that you lose something and you just leave all your work and you keep on thinking about it. ऐसा हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. हाँ, कि एक ठीक है मेरा सुंदर सा पेन खो गया, चलो पढ़ाई लिखाई छोड़ के और एकदम उसी दुख में डूबे हैं. You cannot do that. If you lose something, you have to be responsible. You have to get over that loss and carry on your duties of life. In a world of possessions, this is a world of possessions, materialistic world, isn't it? So people will take balls, your things will be taken away. Maybe someone will steal your thing, someone will take it by force. People will take balls. Ball here symbolizes material possessions, material things, anything. Ball here symbolizes the material things. Balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. And it's not that all the time you lose something, someone will buy it back for you. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. So the boy is learning. What is he learning? He is learning how to cope up with loss. How to cope up with loss. How to face loss and stand up again. So what harsh lesson the boy is facing? The boy is facing how to face loss and be normal again. So this desperate means, you know, what is the meaning of desperate? Hello, can you hear me?
Out of control.
Out of control. Okay, in a way you can say
Hopeless.
yes, hopeless. एकदम निराश हो जाना. Hopeless, disappointed. Hopeless or disappointed. Hopeless or disappointed. So the boy is feeling very hopeless. If he was an adult, he would have thought that okay, this happens, but he's a small boy. He has lost something for the first time in his life. So his experience is different. He's not so mature. He's very innocent. He's innocent and he has lost something for the first time in his life. That is why he is so hopeless. So what is he learning? Epistemology. Epistemology means knowledge. He is getting the knowledge of loss. What knowledge he is gaining? He is gaining the knowledge that life is very difficult. Life is very harsh. You will face losses. Sometimes you lose your things. Sometimes you lose your very near relatives. So what is the boy learning? The boy is getting the knowledge of loss. How to stand up. हाउ टू स्टैंड अप, कैसे जो है लॉस के बाद अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना के रखना है. How to stand up, how to become strong. Become strong. How to become strong? Knowing what every man must know. So this is the harsh truth of life. Everyone must know that how to get strong after the loss. You cannot just be thinking about your loss day and night. You have to get over it. You have to come out of that grief and become normal again. That is the knowledge of. So anything that is not clear? किसी को कोई लाइन समझ में नहीं आ रहा? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It was already taught, but for those of you who had missed the class, now we will just revise some prepositions. So you know what are prepositions? Prepositions shows the relation between two words. What are prepositions? Preposition are words that preposition shows the relation between two things. Shows relation between two things. The book is on the table. It is showing the relation between the book and the table. So preposition shows the relation between two things. So we will practice some prepositions. Some of the confusing prepositions. You know the difference between above and across, above and over. You know the difference? Over and above. Over means just vertically above. जैसे तुम फैन के नीचे बैठे हो, तो फैन is over my head. So just vertically above means over means just vertically up means over, and above means anywhere up. Okay, above and over. It's a bit confusing. So above means vertically up. एकदम ठीक ऊपर. नहीं, over means, above means just up, and above means up and over means vertically up. ठीक ऊपर. You know the difference between between and among, when to use between and when to use among? Between for two persons and among for more than two persons. Is it clear? More than two persons you use among. Like distribute the cake between the two brothers. Distribute the cake among the children. Distribute the cake between the two brothers. दो ही लोग हैं तो between. not only persons, anything. Distribute the cake among the children. या बच्चे बहुत सारे हैं तो हम among use करेंगे. Among the children. Then for big places you use in, and for small places you use at. Like he lives at Kankarwag in Patna. Kankarwag is a smaller place as compared to Patna. In Patna. Okay. Okay. Prepositions you learn best by practice. So we will practice some prepositions. I was amazed dash her brilliant performance. What will be?
By. By.
No, not by. I was amazed at. I was amazed at. You are amazed at something. She is anxious.
Ma'am, two.
Anxious too. Yes, anxious too. Yes, correct answer. Then I am anxious dash his health.
About.
You see the difference. एक जगह जो है anxious
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was amazed at her brilliant performance. You are amazed at something. I was surprised at. She was anxious. Anxious means worried, chintit. I am anxious about. Apologize. Apologize. Dash.
For. No, no, ma'am. From.
नहीं नहीं from नहीं.
To her.
To.
Very good.
Ma'am, two.
Ma'am,
For her, for his. He apologized to her. Apologize to.
ma'am, for ma'am.
For her नहीं. For नहीं. He apologized to her. You apologize to something. You have to apologize to someone. They appealed.
To.
Yes, very good. Appealed to us for help. Appealed means what? Requested. He appealed. This is very common. Very common. He appealed.
To.
Yes, very good. He appealed. Rather opinionated. Opinionated मतलब क्या कि जो अपना ही बात को सही माने. Opinionated. We want the best candidate to be appointed dash the post. We want the best.
At the post.
At the post.
नहीं.
In.
नहीं.
We want the.
We want the
Ma'am,
best
to the
candidate
post.
Ma'am,
appointed.
for. Ma'am,
Ma'am, for.
In,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
for.
Jigyasa
Ma'am, in.
correct answer. Jigyasa gave the correct answer. For the post. Yes, we want the best candidate to be appointed for the post. You say it and say, is it looking correct? We want the best candidate to be appointed for the post. एकदम सही it's sounding. She has an aptitude.
For
In
mathematics.
mathematics.
In mathematics.
In
In
mathematics.
mathematics.
In
In
mathematics.
In nahi. Aptitude
For.
for. Yes, aptitude for. Avail yourself.
For.
Uh-huh. No,
With.
no,
Ma'am, 2.
no.
Ma.
Avail yourself.
About.
No. Avail yourself. Of,
At this.
avail yourself of this opportunity. Avail मतलब फायदा उठाना. Avail yourself of this opportunity. Are you aware?
Of his plans. Of his plans.
From.
Yes. नहीं, from नहीं. Are you aware of?
Of.
Aware of. Aware को हमेशा follow होता है of से ही. Aware of. She is backward. She is
In
backward.
her studies.
In.
Yes.
In our studies.
Yes. All of you have to be active. Only a few students are active. Your answers in chat. Again, those who cannot answer, you can send your answers in chat. You can send your answers in chat also. Typing small words, preposition, it's very easy. I don't think we can bank dash him.
At him.
At him
This time.
No,
On him. On him.
nahi.
And for
I
him.
don't think we can bank to him.
On is look. On. Bank on him. Bank on him. Bank also here also means take advantage. Bank on him. So the task turned out to be more difficult than he had bargained. Bargain
That.
for. That is not a. The task turned out to be more difficult than he had bargained for. Please bear dash me until I finish this job.
Ma'am, for.
नहीं, for नहीं. Please bear
On me.
with,
On. No. On.
please
With
bear
me.
with me. Please bear with me. Do you believe 15th is very
In.
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 okay? So we'll just a quick revision. So now, amazed at, anxious to hear from her daughter, anxious about his health, apologize to, you apologize to someone. When you say, I apologize to my friend. Appeal to, appears to be rather than aptitude for, appointed for the post. Avail yourself of this opportunity, aware of, backward in, bank on, bargain for, bear with, believe in. Okay. We'll move to the then. Here options are given. Deals at with. Nahi. You deal
In.
in. Yes, you deal in something. Always remember, deal in. You deal with a person, लेकिन कोई सामान अगर रहता है तो उसमें in लगता है. ऐसे normally हम have to deal with him, but there you are referring to a person. Here it is a thing. Jigyasa, you understand the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
I will deal with him politely. There it is a person. Here it is a thing. When a
Thing.
thing is there, then you have to use in. One must not deviate. Deviate means, you know, deviate.
From
Ma'am, two.
Deviate from.
means bhatakna.
Bhatakna. Deviate matlab bhatakna. So deviate from. We should not deviate from the path. Eventually, I persuaded her to comply. Comply means, you know, if you know the meaning, then I think comply means to agree.
Ma'am, with.
At my
With my request.
Comply at my request.
Ma'am.
Comply with my request. Comply with. Comply. Comply with. Comply with is the correct. It's a little bit confusing, but with. So now, uh, comply with. There is no cure.
For.
Or.
For.
For. For.
A cure for. Cure for. Prepositions are confusing. You need lot of practice. Cure for AIDS. Like there's so much of confusion between of and for. Cure of AIDS. ऐसा commonly हम बोल भी देते हैं. In informal language while speaking you say, but grammatically it's not correct. Cure for AIDS. He is keen. Keen means, you know,
interested.
eager, interested. Yes, very good. Keen. Guess karo. Keen at, keen on,
At, ma'am. Ma'am, at.
keen on,
At
At.
keen on going abroad. She's keen on going abroad. Prince Raj नहीं सही है. कोई बात नहीं. At least it's good you are making effort. The article में
Ma'am,
ये थोड़ा ये है. Allusions
at
ma'am, two.
to the
Ma'am,
Vedas.
to the Vedas.
Ma'am, to the Veda.
Yes. He was anxious.
To contact his wife.
to
Anxious.
To.
Yes, anxious
Two.
to contact. Anxious to contact. ये तो अभी हम लोगों ने किया था aptitude.
for
For. She was an indulgent mother who always turned a blind eye.
At.
At her children.
No,
to
blind eye to. मतलब किसी के गलती को एकदम ignore करना. But turn a blind eye, it is an
To.
idiomatic expression. Now you turn a blind eye to someone means what? You ignore the faults. You ignore someone's mistakes. Turn a blind eye to. He was brought.
Up.
Yes, very good. Brought up means what? Palan poshan karna kisi ka. Brought up means to raise someone, to take care of someone. Brought up. So our class ends here. Tomorrow we will revise tense. And okay. Bye all of you.
by ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
But I want more people to participate. Yes, good. Prince Raj effort ले रहा है, अच्छी बात है. सृष्टि ने भी आंसर किया आज बहुत सारा. It doesn't matter whether your answer is wrong. You have to make effort. You have to be active. Otherwise, teacher also loses interest. You all have to be active and answer. You can send your answers in chat also if you are not able to answer. Some of them they answer very quickly. You are left behind. कोई बात नहीं, chat पे answer भेज सकते हो. I'll read it. प्रिंस राज ने भेजा है, रौनक ने भेजा है, ठीक है. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.